What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Fast Sky Media. It's your boy Kyle. I'm not here with the co-pilot Jax, but today we are coming to you live from Museum Row on the Miracle Mile in Los Angeles, California, USA, with another LACMA construction update. Been a few weeks since we've been back here, and it's really going to be an exciting time to get up and see all the progress that we've been missing out on. Getting closer to that completion date of this project, and last time we were here, we still noticed that there's a real healthy amount of work that still needs to get done. Although they are staging the inside and putting up a lot of the exhibits, on the outside there's still going to be a lot more to do. And according to the website, here are just some of the things that they're still aiming to complete in the coming weeks. On that note, it is chicken and apple time for the boy. If you like what we're doing, if you want to help support the channel, buy me a coffee, link in the description below. Give us a sub if you haven't already. Super chat, super thanks. Sub to the video, sub to the channel, comment on the video for better for worse. All that goes a long ways to keeping us on the road, bringing y'all that jamming January content. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get on up there. Show you guys going down. Peace.